Well, hi folks, on my camera phone, I've just got it propped up, so I don't know what I'm viewing, can't see where I am, so I'm just going to pull my banana shallots up now anyway, because they're absolutely enormous. I don't think to get any bigger, and they'll just come out of the soil really easily this year because it's that dry. So I'll just give you an idea of the size of them. Like I said, ooh Christ, I can't see a thing. So I'll just show you what size they are anyway, and that's with absolutely no water in whatsoever. And the drought we've had this year, they're absolutely massive. I'm not just pulling the big ones up, these are just random ones. That's a little bit smaller. That's another quite big one, but they're absolutely fantastic. Now like I said, I only sowed these 1st of March, planted about 1st of May, so they've had May, June, July, 3 months of growing, and when I planted them out they're only little sickly plants, so 5 months from seed to that, absolutely amazing. So we'll get them all up. I'll probably have to take a few of these onions up because they're all flopping over as well, and they've been quite good as well, considering again no water, no rainfall. Just goes to show you that alliums will just search down for any water they need, so job's a good one. Drought. Good old drought veg. So we'll get the rest of these up, show you what they're all like, and try and film them a bit better. So there we go folks, that's 3 rows pulled up now. I can honestly say that's the best crop of banana shallots I've ever had. It's on my no dig bed, as you can see, no dig. And it's been that dry, you can see the cracks in it. And I'll just show you, this is what happens when you plant a clump of 3 instead of just one single one. They're a little bit smaller, but compared to the single ones, not a great big deal smaller. So if you could plant 3 in a clump instead of 1, you get absolutely hundreds. So like I said, best ever crop. These are jumbo shallots or banana shallots. They go by the name of Zebrunne, Z-E-B-R-U-N-N-E. And like I said, once you've tried them, you'll never grow any others because they're absolutely idiot proof. Like I said, sow them on the 1st of March, plant them out 1st of May, harvest on the 1st of August. And then I'll take these back to the greenhouse, dry them with all the leaves on until they shrivel up, and then they'll just store for probably about 5 or 6 months. And they're absolutely fantastic. So I would definitely highly recommend growing banana shallots from seed. Sounds a bit of a faff compared to growing them from sets, but believe me, it's not. It's dead easy. And you get a crop like that. So that's it folks, best ever crop without doubt. No water, good old drought crop. See you later.